In line with New Zealand employment regulations, candidates will not pay any placement fees. All costs such as immigration fees, medical insurance, flight, and temporary accommodation upon arrival in New Zealand will be provided by the employer upon receipt of the job offer.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we explore amazing opportunities around the world. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Ammy. I talk about relocation and studying abroad. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, hit the subscribe button below and ensure that your bell notification is turned on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to others. It is a great way of supporting my channel. Share my videos with your friends and your loved ones and keep watching.
Hello guys, you're welcome to Immigrate with Ammy. We want to talk about a company which offers the services of a recruitment specialist in New Zealand. Maybe you don't know, but New Zealand is one of the countries that has a lot of extensive immigration pathways, almost like that of Canada, and this gives international applicants a lot of opportunities. They also have different visa types that international applicants, especially people with skills in different sectors, can qualify for and also apply for, and they can get a work permit and move to New Zealand. Now, aside having a lot of immigration pathways, New Zealand is also one of the countries that faces labor shortage in some of the critical sectors, okay? And I'm going to be showing you this information right on the website that we'll be reviewing. So in order to solve that problem, there are a lot of recruitment specialists who offer the service of recruiting skilled and qualified international candidates for employers within New Zealand with the hope of helping them fill the labor shortage. Okay, so this particular company that we'll be talking about today offers that service, but aside just recruiting for employers, they also offer immigration and relocation support, and they even offer study support in case you want to travel to New Zealand as a student. The government is making it easier for international talent to find their way or find jobs in New Zealand. So apart from applying directly for the permanent residency programs, you can find platforms where you can apply for jobs and then use that opportunity to immigrate to New Zealand. Employers are willing to provide visa sponsorship for the applicant. What this means is that if your profile meets the requirement of those employers, they will be the one to fund your relocation, which is a good one for international talent who are looking to immigrate to New Zealand. Today we want to look at one of such platforms, okay, where you can find visa sponsorship jobs in New Zealand. This is a good opportunity, guys. If you are looking for an opportunity to immigrate as a worker, you can consider New Zealand. Another thing about this visa sponsorship job is that it makes it easy for you to relocate with your families, and then it takes that financial burden away from you. The fact that your employer is actually supporting you, and it also makes your visa application fast and easy if you have sponsorship from your employer. The name of this company is JTLP Management and Recruitment, and they are a recruitment specialist based in New Zealand. So what they do basically is to help businesses in New Zealand acquire overseas talent, and they also assist education providers with student recruitment solutions. So you're welcome to their portal, okay, where you can find different information, but we can start by taking a quick look at what they offer. So they offer job placement in New Zealand. They connect skilled workers who are based outside of New Zealand with employers who are looking to hire them. They also help committed students to study in New Zealand as well, and then they offer visa assistance for those who are looking for ways to move to New Zealand. Right on their homepage, they have these frequently asked questions where you can readily find answers to a lot of questions that you might have. For example, how many overseas workers can they employ? Can I bring my partner or children if I work or study in New Zealand? Of course, the answer is yes. Can I work while I study in New Zealand? Will I need English qualification to study in New Zealand? How long will my visa application take? These are some of the common questions that people have, And on their homepage, under the frequently asked questions section, you can find answers to this question. Okay, to give you more information about the issue of labor shortage in New Zealand, you can see here that they are stating one of the problems that employers in New Zealand are facing. The problem is that 82% of territorial authorities in New Zealand are reporting that they have vacancies well in excess of local labor forces, meaning that the labor market currently in New Zealand is not sufficient to support the labor demand from the employers, basically. And I'm not the one saying it. This is what they are reporting according to this information on their website. Okay, so the New Zealand Institute of Economic Research has recently stated that the labor shortages in New Zealand are the biggest restraint on economic growth. By way of example, currently 82% of territorial authorities in New Zealand are reporting that they have vacancies well in excess of labor forces. So this actually gives, the perfect opportunity for international skilled workers who are looking to move to New Zealand, and you don't have to do it on your own. This JTLP recruitment specialist can actually support you towards getting a job, and then they can also take the burden off you in relocation and going through the process of obtaining the right residency permit, the work permit, or the visa. Okay, so this is what they do. Okay, for overseas workers, okay, just to give you more information, provided that the candidate meet the criteria, if they have passed all of the interview and if the employer is ready to give them a job offer, once you get a job offer, they have specialist immigration advisors who will process all the aspect of ensuring that the candidate are granted a working visa for employment in New Zealand. In line with New Zealand employment regulations, candidates will not pay any placement fees. All costs such as immigration fees, medical insurance, flight, and temporary accommodation upon arrival in New Zealand will be provided by the employer upon receipt of the job offer. They will also handle the recruitment process. They will also be the one to actually handle the recruitment process as well. So basically, this is a great opportunity in the sense that they will link you up with employers, they will handle the recruitment process, and then it will be the employer who will be in charge of setting the cost of immigration fees, your medical insurance, your flight, your temporary accommodation upon your arrival in New Zealand. So this is more or less like a visa sponsorship opportunity that they are providing to international skilled candidates. So if you are interested in reaching out to JTLP Management and Recruitment, all you have to do is to submit what they call expression of interest, which is like a simple form. They have this, simple form here. If you are looking to find a job in New Zealand, what JTLP Management and Recruitment can assure you is that all of the job placement are made 100% professional. So they will make sure that all of the standard legal requirements for New Zealand employment contract apply to overseas workers, and they will follow the requirement of the workers' country of origin as well. Okay, so basically, if you want to reach out to them, there is a form here that you can fill to register your interest. Okay, all you have to do is to put your name, your phone number, your email, type some message here just to indicate interest, and then you can attach the relevant file that can help them to actually understand your profile so that they'll be able to check out if you have the necessary skills required that employers in New Zealand are looking for. Alternatively, you can also contact them directly. So they have their address right here, they have their phone number here, and they have their email address in case you want to initiate a talk with them. Of course, I can imagine that they will want to ascertain, or they will want to check out your profile first to see if you have what it takes, for you to work in New Zealand. Okay, but of course, you can give them a call. You can also send them an email with your profile. Make sure it's summarized, most likely a one-page CV with a very short cover letter introducing yourself, highlighting your skills and experience and education, so that they can quickly glance through it to determine if you would be a good candidate for any employer in New Zealand. Okay, so basically we are dropping this right here. Okay, this is another company that offers management and recruitment services in New Zealand, and as you can see, there is a perfect opportunity for you to work and relocate to New Zealand as well. Okay, So check this out, guys, and utilize this opportunity. So it's always a pleasure, sharing this information with you. Make sure you also do your own independent research. Go to their website. The link is in the video description. Check out all of this information we have shared. Verify them yourself and reach out to them with your profile to see if this could be the golden opportunity for you. Thank you so much, guys, and have a lovely day.